Welcome to Easy Learning. Dictation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Through this constitutional petition, the petitioner is seeking direction against the respondents to appoint the petitioner against the post of sub-inspector in Punjab Police. Full stop. The petitioner has also challenged the vagaries of the relevant rules and advertisement dated 30th July 2017, whereby 3 years experience for promotion to post of sub-inspector has been prescribed. Full stop. Relevant facts are that the posts of sub-inspector in service quota were advertised. Full stop. The petitioner, who is head constable, cleared the written test, but he was not recommended for appointment against the said post on the ground that the petitioner does not fulfill the required 3 years service experience. Full stop. The petitioner, being aggrieved, has filed this constitutional petition. Full stop. Learned law officer, on the other hand, submits that the rules are neither in conflict to the act nor the same are going beyond the scope of the act. Full stop. He further submits that on the closing date, the petitioner did not fulfill the required experience, hence could not be promoted against the post of sub-inspector. Full stop. The first legal question require determination in this case is that whether 3 years experience prescribed in the advertisement for the post of sub-inspector based on rules is against or beyond the provisions of the act. Full stop. The promotion to the rank of sub-inspector against 25% departmental promotion quota shall be made through public service commission amongst officers holding bachelor's degree in the rank of head constable and assistant sub-inspector, however, the above said provision is subject to rules. Full stop. The perusal of the relevant rules supra shows that beside graduate from recognized university, the head constable or assistant sub-inspector must have 3 years experience. Full stop.